what's up, y'all? Yo, we back after vacation. If you want to check out the vacation video.
Look at your girl getting fine for summertime.
If y'all want to check out my vacation video, make sure you check out my new YouTube channel. It's right here below, link in the description, all that jazz. Anyway, today we're back. You know me, like always, I gotta go back and make some more money, man. Finally got the car fixed, took it to him. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of the wire that was messed up, and then it's fixed now. So now I was able to Uber, go back to my daily routine, Ubering and running my business. This is how much money I made in Uber this week since I got back. $500 to fix it. I made about $1,500. What? Man, move the car, bro. She talk about what my name is. Anyway, y'all, back at it again. We gonna get back to the business, back to the usual upload. She loves driving her little go-kart, man. Making it seem like it's all that special. Anyway, y'all, we're gonna go back to making our usual videos, doing what we do best. I see y'all in a little bit. This weekend, we gotta pick up a throne chair we dropped off for free. All right. Then we gotta pick up, deliver some marquee numbers. We got an event that we give a friend a discount for. Then we got a wedding and some marquee numbers. So hey, you're gonna have a full behind the scenes of everything we go through this weekend. It's gonna be pretty chill, not that big of a deal. But yeah. Oh, also, I'm making a video about global entry. My girlfriend just signed up the other day. I should get mine done soon. I applied today. Don't know I'm gonna get a reply, but if you want to know about global entry and stuff like that, make sure again you check out my other YouTube page that I'm starting up. Get in early, get in where y'all can ask questions and kind of influence me to make videos y'all want to see. So yo, anyway, I'm gonna check y'all later. There go my.
Baby, you cut the grass.
I knew she was gonna ask about the grass. As soon as I came outside, I was like, oh, she's gonna ask about the grass. Now we're back at the hall. We've been trying to put up these little markers and stuff like that, you know. So if you want to scan it, try to go ahead, y'all. Try to do that on your right now. You know, we can scan this little link right here, and you can see our packages and stuff like that. So something that you add to your event space. I seen that in another event space. I thought it was cool.
There go my baby. Say what up, baby? Cool. All right. He say nothing because he wants to be ready.
Whatever, y'all. We about to we here at the hall now. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do a nice deep mop when we get back. But for now, we're just gonna put both Lenice gonna do the nice deep mop, whatever.
Oh, look at that, man. That's strong, man. Look at the low angle. Look at him. He's struggling. He's struggling. Look at him struggle. The struggle is real. Yeah, you see that? Gotta test the lights, because if you don't test the lights, it ain't gonna be right. I'm gonna show y'all, because I'm big sassy. He loves sassy. Alright, this video is sponsored by Mogul's Palace. It's the greatest place on earth to have your event. You know what I'm saying? It's not the biggest, but it's mostly for the intimate setting. People that want to do a little something, not too much. And this video is brought to you by Mogul's Palace. So shout out to our sponsor, Mogul's Palace, for being the best event space in the Metro Detroit area. Alright, so back to Ty. Y'all, we have arrived at our location for the drop off. About to go take this stuff in there. I got the cord to plug it in. Maybe on the back of the truck right here. And this is where we're going.
But yeah, it's a simple event tomorrow. She just wants white linen and the chairs and throne chair, and that's all she wants. So we got to fix up this right here. We're gonna put up some signs in the corner over here for cleaning instructions, so when people in their night, they know what to do. They can't pretend like, oh, I didn't know that I had to do this and that and blah blah blah. And this right here, like I said, we got a wedding on Sunday, so we're putting the throne chair and the marquee numbers and all that onto the U-Haul, so we could just take the U-Haul there, not U-Haul, our personal truck there and back. So
Let's just take a ride along the bay. We don't need to work, we can sit around and play. I've been waiting for so long to get away. Baby, don't hold back, all you gotta do is say, what would you like to be satisfied with me? I've been counting moments of love, I've been catching signs from above. All I wanna do is satisfy you. Baby, all you want is to be satisfied with me. Baby, drinking champagne on the beach of Malibu, cruising down the boulevard, kissing in the backseat of the car, making love under the stars. What would you like to be satisfied with me? I've been counting moments